So we can see the website that we made from our previous lecture right here with all this terrible styling, and the website looks terrible. So now we're going to be learning how to add in a nav bar into our layout. So before we were just adding this header into every single page. What we can actually do is cut out this header code, and then in our layouts we can create a new folder and then partials. And inside of here we can have our header.view. We can just paste it, or no, actually we have to create a template. And then inside of here we're just going to have our header. We should probably actually change all these links. So home, that's right. About, this is /about. And then inside of here we're going to have /contact. So then what we can do, since this is the default layout, every single page is being inserted into this nuxt element right here. So we can just add in our own script tag. And then we're going to have an export default. And then inside of here, we can just go into our previous page, and we can see our example of loading in a component. So we're just going to go back into our default, and we can just paste that in there. And then we can uncomment this code, or we're just going to change I can do Control-D to edit multiple iterations of a certain string. So I'm just going to edit the logo, and then we're going to have header. And this is actually the wrong directory. It should actually just be into the partials, and then /header. And then we can just put this header just right above our nuxt, which is where our page is being inserted into. So all of this code right here is being inserted into our nuxt instead of our layout. So if we actually go into wait, I have to delete our previous headers instead of our other pages. Just gonna delete all of these and delete these. And that should be all of them deleted. Okay, so now we can go into all of our different pages and see all of our content. And all of our pages, it looks like they work. So now all we are going to do is we are going to learn how to edit the head of our pages, so then we can actually have this right here, our heading tag, as the title of our website. So we're going to learn that in the next lecture.